Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's a new vlog. I was filming for this brand and मेरे दो parcels अभी आए and also I actually want to show you what all I have in this little pouch that I'm shooting for. This is like a fashion emergency kit and it has like 12 products in it, including like 13 products actually, including this pouch which is super cute by the way. Let me open up and show it to you. काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ें हैं, so I thought I'll show it to you guys. It has like rubber bands, like a set of rubber bands. Then it has shoe bite pads, like over here. Then it has like thread needle and buttons and जो earring का back होता है उसका एक set है, like 4 of them. Then bobby pins right here. Then there's like safety pins in different colors, so cute. Then we have like a racer back clip right here. We have, what is this, wipes, nail polish remover by the way. We have makeup remover patches here. Then there is earlobe support patches, basically if you are wearing long earrings and ऐसा feel होता है तो for that. Then there is fashion tape. Yes, I love fashion tape. And last but not the least, last but not the least, we have like nipple covers. So all of these things come in this like cute little pouch, and this is called like the fashion emergency kit. It is by Slick Fix, and I also use the products like काफी सालों से I've been using them. So I think they're available on Blinkit as well. Last I know. So पूरा ये like fashion related जो भी emergency होती है, just like the name says. All the products come in here, so I think you can just carry this small little pouch for your next trip, vacation or anything. And this is a very great thing that I have right here. So I'm gonna put everything back in, and then I'm gonna show you the other package that we got. Okay, the next one was, this is a little heavy. The next package we have here, which is a little heavy, it is from IKEA. So हम लोग ने actually परसों रात को ही order किया and आज आ भी गया. So it's like बेडशीट का जो एक सेट है पूरा, एंड दिस वन इज अ प्रोडक्ट आई रियली लव द येलो कलर ऑफ इट. इट इज़ नॉट लाइक extreme bright yellow and it's not like too dull yellow. It's, I think, just the perfect yellow that I really wanted. And I just was scrolling through their website randomly. मेरा कोई plan भी नहीं था खरीदने का, but I was like कि चल मैं देख लेती हूँ, and I found this color, so I loved it and I just ordered this. I'm gonna like use it and show it to you guys, but already मुझे material देख के लग रहा है it is really soft, and it says here that it is 60% cotton and 40% lyocell. I don't know what lyocell fabric is, but yeah, anyway, the MRP of this is 4,425 rupees, but obviously it was on sale, so I bought it. I think I got it for around like maybe 999 or something, I don't know, I'm not sure. But I'll let you know. But like amazing sale में मुझे मिल गया, so I'm really happy about it. The next thing that I got is the entire like set of it. This is like a pure grey and green color का mix का color जो आता है. It's that, again, love the color. I think these are like really rare colors. You don't find it like on every website or everything. So yeah, got one of this also. Again, it is, let me see. इसमें क्या लिखा है मेरे को पता नहीं, मुझे देखना पड़ेगा एक्चुअली. बट या आई गॉट अ सेट ऑफ दिस, लाइक पिलो कवर्स का भी आई गॉट डिफरेंट लाइक सेम कलर में, बट आई हैड टू ऑर्डर इट अलग से बिकॉज इट वॉज नॉट इन द सेट. एंड इसमें ऑल्सो आई थिंक एक ही, इसमें 2 अवेलेबल नहीं थे पिलो कवर्स का, तो आई गॉट ओनली 1 पिलो कवर ऑफ येलो एंड 1 ऑफ द बेडशीट. ऑल्सो ये वाला मुझे ज़्यादा भारी लग रहा है, पता नहीं क्यों, compared to this. Maybe it's the quality or the fabric or something, maybe, I'm not so sure, but this is literally on a heavier side. क्या प्योर कॉटन का वेट ज़्यादा होता है? I don't know. Anyway, I am showing the other side of the box, but I also ordered for this package जो actually मैंने 10 दिन पहले order किया था. I forgot about it, but मुझे 2-3 दिन पहले याद आया. Then I messaged them on Instagram कि hey, मेरा parcel अब तक नहीं आया. कस्टमर सर्विस ज़ीरो है बिकॉज नो बडी रिप्लाइड टू मी over there, and also मेरा पैकेज इतना लेट आया था, like I did not even know it is coming today, okay, and this is the second time I'm ordering for them. It's just that they have good stuff. So the brand is like 360 degree, and they've got like roasted makhana, sea salted flavor, then there is creamy cheese, peri peri puffs, and all these are like super healthy stuff. Chipotle flavor, William, another chipotle flavor, and peri peri again, yeah. So all these stuff are like really healthy stuff, and also with every meal हम लोग के साथ हम लोग को एक कुछ ना कुछ क्रंची चाहिए रहता है. So I think it's better to eat healthy, which is why I ordered. But I don't know if the next time I'm gonna order from them, because like I said, customer service is pretty bad. Like I did not even know if my order is gonna come to me or not. So I messaged them on Instagram, and none of them like replied to me or acknowledged it or anything at all. Yeah, I'm gonna eat this. This is really tasty, by the way. सिर्फ टेस्ट इनका अच्छा है ना, ऐसा क्यों होता है अच्छे ब्रांड्स का कस्टमर सर्विस या कुछ ना कुछ खराब हो जाता है. Sea salted flavor, so yum. And healthy. I can like snack without feeling guilty. It's also no onion, no garlic. Lag hi nahi raha. Mom will be happy. खाती रहूँगी मैं. Anyway, I'm gonna go and quickly edit the video, and I also posted like new vlog on my other channel, so go watch it. It's I think the 5th episode from the Oman series. It was Sunday today, and I was literally working my ass off since morning. मैं उठी, I did not read or like do time pass at all. मैं जाके सीधा काम करने बैठी हूँ. I don't know why. Sunday is a day where I feel like I have to work really hard. More than anybody else, while everybody else like they just chill. I feel like I have to work. I don't know, maybe it gives me like a sort of like ego boost or something, I don't know. But yeah, I finished editing the vlog and I posted it. Abhi mera sirf thumbnail changes baki hai, so I'm gonna do that. And it's, what's the time right now? It's 4:30. It's too like bright and sunny for 4:30, but yeah, I think I'll finish that, and then probably I'm gonna go to the gym. I'll just do some cardio, and we were supposed to go on like a Mother's Day dinner today, but like my brother is not free, so we'll probably go tomorrow or day after. But maybe I think we'll just go out today for like a desert run or something like that. So yeah. Oh, it's Mother's Day, by the way, so if there's any mom watching this vlog of mine, happy Mother's Day to you. Yeah, I guess I'll see you soon. Bye. Sunday evening, we are walking on the road.
थोड़ा चलेंगे, फिर आगे आगे दही पूरी खाएंगे.
नहीं.
Yes.
कॉफ़ी उठाना है सागर को, so we'll go for a coffee walk.
कॉफी रन ना, रन नहीं बोलते.
Coffee walk. We are not running.
अरे बोलते हैं ना, going for a coffee run. बोलो तो ना भाग के आते.
भाग के जाते हैं.
अच्छा ऐसा है क्या?
Yeah. Anyway. Coffee. Hey guys, we were just watching Roadies and had like a good Chinese dinner today. I forgot to vlog throughout because I just forgot. I don't have a reason why I forgot. But anyway, I am going out right now. I'm just gonna go take my mom and Dadi for an ice cream after meal ice cream, like, or a dessert meal. I don't know मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ, but like for a desert run or anything. So desert drive. I wanted to say a desert drive. So anyway, let's go. I think I'm just gonna go like this itself. I don't look that bad. Maybe I need to put on some lipstick. हाँ. I was vlogging तो चिल्ला के ऐसे मेरे को बुलाता है.
कैसे बुलाता हो?
मेरे पास 1 करोड़ रुपए होते हैं.
આત્મા અમારી દીકરી સાથે છું.
हेलो केम छो ऑल डिप्ड इंडिया ना. हाँ वही मैंने इंस्टाग्राम पे भी देखा था.
क्या?
ऑल डिप्ड. वी आर गोइंग ऑल डिप्ड मोस्टली. गाइस हम वो जो भी बोल था वो लेके घर पे ही आ गए और घर पे हम लोग ने खा लिया बिकॉज उधर विराट लोकल जितना भीड़ था इट वॉज टू मच टू हैंडल. ऑल्सो आवर ऑर्डर टुक लाइक 20 minutes. वी ऑर्डर्ड 1 मैंगो बोल एंड 1 chocolate वाला. हाउ डू यू रेट द chocolate one?
4
out of
10.
हाँ मैंगो का तो वो आमरस का यही चला गया था.
दोनों में कोई इतना कुछ खास नहीं लगा.
जो हिसाब से वेटिंग और भीड़ थी नॉट वर्थ इट. इससे बेटर तो हम घर पे डेजर्ट जो हाई क्वालिटी फूड के साथ बना रहे हैं.
ऐसा गर्मी है तो मेरे को कुछ ठंडा रहेगा बट ठंडा कुछ नहीं है.
ठंडा तो नहीं था ऊपर से वो आमरस भी गर्म और वियर्ड था. एनीवे इट्स फाइन. बट वी आर होम एंड लुक मैं मस्त एक स्ट्रॉबेरी थैला लेके आई बिकॉज आई लव टोट बैग्स एंड दिस वन इज माई न्यू एवरीडे बैग. मैं जिम लेके जाऊंगी इसको भी.
थोड़ा सी थ्रू.
हाँ तो उसमें क्या हुआ मैं कपड़े कुछ ये नहीं लेके जाती हूँ. सी थ्रू है. बट चलो लेट्स गो. I'm here at the Kangen water experience. Really interested. I just had water and I had like hydrogen in it. Very cool. And this is like other stuff that we do. I'll tell you about it later. This 3D is so cool. Loving the lights as always. But it's almost 7 p.m. and इतना ज़्यादा sunlight है अभी भी. But I came back from my meeting. It was like good 5-hour meeting जितना था. There was so like it was the start of something. So yeah, I'm really tired because of the heat and I came and I rested and my back hurts so much. I don't know why. But anyway, I decided to go to the gym because even like tonight I have to go party. It's a friend's birthday, so I want to like burn some calories before I inhale some calories. So let's go. मेरे vlog के बीच में कैसे तो बोल देता है मेरे को नहीं समझ में आता. Like just wait for me to finish my sentence ना.
Let's go.
Hey guys, what's up? Don't I look really pretty? I'm wearing a very cute fit by the way and I'm really happy because मैं कभी कोई house party के लिए इतना तैयार नहीं हुई. We are going at Oris to celebrate Rishabh's birthday. It's the 12th of May today and his birthday is tomorrow. And so we're gonna just go like chill and I have like thought of a few games that I want to like host in a way. I enjoy that process. In case any of you wants a really fun host who can make everyone interact, break the ice basically, and also arrange a few games, you can contact me. I am now taking bookings. I am open for the and available for the next 365 days. But anyway, yeah, let's go. We are just actually waiting for our cab because वो book नहीं हो रही है and इसलिए मैं ready बैठी हूँ. This is why we should pre-book the cabs and it should not cost us extra for that. We have reached after a lot of traffic and my hair is really frizzy.
Busy?
Frizzy.
My hair is also frizzy.
Show them my fit. बर्थडे का टाइम है अभी. ओह हाय What's up? ये क्या है? Sagar attacking food always.
होगा किसी ने गरम आके देखे गए
He took 2 girls.
Happy birthday, dear Risham. Happy birthday to you.
Here we go, we go. Say hi to my vlog.
That is when you
Like
don't know.
his
This last round,
description was applicable to both.
because I thought कि मैं नहीं बोल सकता हूँ कि just orange का description.
Let Guni go first. You light it with matchsticks. You light it with matchsticks.
तो भाई लफड़े हो जाएंगे
Meta.
वीडियो देखा? ऐसा वाला शैम्पेन बोलता है ऐसा हाथ लगा देता है.
अरे मम्मी को भी
अपन आरती
भेजना
करते तो
था
ऐसा करते ना ऐसा.
मैंने वीडियो ही नहीं किया.
शैम्पेन बोलता तो वैसा हाथ लगाता है.
कोई बात
ओ क्या बात है भाई, बढ़िया.
क्रेजी
नहीं.
मैं अभी रिसेंटली सोच रहा था मेरे को ये चाहिए करके
Beautiful.
मजा आ गया भाई इससे गोइंग फॉर एज
Sagar is such a cutie and like literally the best boyfriend in the world. Why? Because he got me Vietnamese coffee. Like look at my halat, okay? I am so hungover today and I have to again like go out tonight. I'm so hungover and I just want like a very strong, highly caffeinated coffee. And I can make Vietnamese at home, but I was just too lazy and I literally had some work. So मैं थोड़ा बहुत काम की, but I'm just on bed because yeah, I mean, I don't have the energy, but he got me Vietnamese coffee and he took our own mug because obviously bike पे वो packaging नहीं आता है. So, but sorry यार, look at my हालत. मतलब मेरे को बहुत embarrassing लग रहा है ऐसे देखने को खुद को. What the fuck? Okay, so while I have coffee, I'm gonna show you all the packages that I got this morning and it was so annoying. I mean, this is the point when I'm gonna stop ordering things because आज और कल के बीच में I've got so many parcels और मुझे याद ही नहीं है मैंने क्या चीज़ें कब मंगाई है. मैं OTP में confusion create हो रहा है. Some things I've got here, some things I've got at my mom's place. तो it was really annoying and because सुबह I slept at 5 in the morning, me and Sagar both. It was like I could not wake up early in the morning to open the door और बार अगर bell बज रही है. It was very annoying. But I mean this is going to be the last point and after this I am going to stop ordering things. But we'll just do like quick haul or unboxing of all the packages that came in today. Oh my god. Oh, scissor लेके आना पड़ेगा. The first one is this shaker thing. तो I mean if you guys remember 1 week पहले जब पूरा बारिश का सीन चल रहा था तभी बहुत ज़ोर से हवा आई थी और हम लोग के किचन के बालकनी से हमारा ये जो मग है वो गिर गया एंड डक्ट एरिया में चला गया एंड मतलब देखा बट लाइक ऑब्वियसली फ्रॉम दिस higher floor नीचे मिलना is very difficult. So we ordered another one and luckily this fits, which is why I said in my new mug. Yums. I'm glad Amazon has that option. What else? This is Nykaa. Nykaa stuff was supposed to come Monday. It is delayed. But ठीक है. Do you guys know Nykaa now करके भी एक चीज़ है. I didn't know because मैंने जिस दिन ऑर्डर किया उसी दिन दोपहर को मेरा कंसीलर आ गया, which is nice. I ordered this eyebrow pencil. I'm gonna put it to test now. This is the first time I'm gonna try this from Mars. And इसमें spoolie भी आती है and this is in the dark brown shade. So today while doing my makeup, I'm gonna try and test this. I got another thing, but this is not for me. Got it as a gift. It's also my best friend's birthday tonight and also another best friend's birthday today जिसके लिए हम कल पार्टी करके आए हैं and I'm so hungover but wow, this looks nice. So I got this Guess ka perfume for her. Let me just check. Should I open it or मैं ऐसे ही gift दे दूँ? I hope she likes it. I just hope उसको ये फ्रेग्रेंस पसंद है, बिकॉज मैं ड्यूटी फ्री पे थी तभी आई थिंक मैंने ये चेक किया था एंड आई रियली लाइक्ड इट, बट आई डोंट नो इफ शी इज गोना लाइक इट. सो एनीवे, दिस इज नॉट फॉर मी बट लाइक जस्ट अ गिफ्ट फॉर हर. व्हाट एल्स पैकेज 1 2 3. मैं ना ये सबको रद्दी में दूंगी, उससे मेरे पैसे बचेंगे कैसे जब मुझे वापस पैसे मिलेंगे. आई थिंक शिफ्टिंग के बाद मैंने एक बार रद्दी दिया था एंड आई गॉट 200 रुपीज़. इमेजिन, आई वाज सो गुड. ये तो मैंने बस एक टाइम पास में पिलो कवर ऑर्डर किया है. आई लव द कलर ऑफ इट. सो या, दिस इज फॉर द स्क्वायर पिलोज दैट आई हैव हियर ऑन दिस. Yeah, it looks nice. मुझे कलर अच्छा लगा. It's of a very good material also. I think ये कौन सा ब्रांड का? This brand is from Florida and मैंने उनके इसमें से मंगाया है. So it's nice. I'm gonna put them to test. It actually goes really well with the browns that we have. So उसके लिए मैंने ये मंगाया. I think I like it. Very nice. What do you think? And what else is this? I think everything that I order is so random, right? Like it does not have any structure to it. अच्छा, ये तो सागर का सामान मंगाया था. So a lot of peanut butter, 2 packs of peanut butter for him from the Butternut Co. And this is in creamy and this is creamy and this is crunchy. So he likes to have his like morning, not really breakfast but like a smoothie for breakfast, which is like coffee, peanut butter, milk, banana. So for that, 2 of it for him. Okay, I think that's about it for this one, for this particular video. Now I'm just gonna go and enjoy my coffee and finish like the last episode of Royals. मैंने ऐसा binge watch किया है this afternoon because I was like I don't want to work, I don't want to do anything, but I still wanted something in the background. So मैंने लगा के देख लिया. I mean I don't have a problem watching Ishan's abs throughout, but I mean there could be a lot more to the story, but it's okay. It's I think just like बैकग्राउंड में चलने वाला कुछ शो. आई डोंट नो उसको कैसा क्या लाइक वो टर्म इज यूज फॉर दैट, बट या आई मीन इट्स नॉट बैड. एनीवे, आई थिंक आई एम जस्ट गोना या I'm gonna end the vlog right here. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and let's actually just share this video with people you think will enjoy this video, because I really feel I have good amount of views, but 80 or 85% of you have not subscribed to my channel, so I don't know why that is. So please do that, and let's hit 10k subs really soon. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.